Anybody that's trying working with me, I'll try to put that person in school. So I've discussed that with my husband. We've concluded that you are going to go to school. So take this money. Go to school. By next week, I'll come and see your principal for the uniform, yeah?
It's okay, madam. Take this money first. Hold on first. Madam, hold your money first. Hold your money first. Madam, this way you talk now. You enter my mind. So I don't think am. Madam, I don't think am. And now this thing I want tell you. Shey you say you go university. I wan join for business of burning pikin for oga because if I go school now, I go spend reach 100,000. Yes. And I fit spend 100,000 come back now, nothing go happen. And to still dey born pikin too. So no need of us wasting your money. So just keep your money. The thing wey me and you go do now be say, me and you go dey born pikin for oga, turn by turn. If oga chook you today, tomorrow you go chook me. If you born today, tomorrow I born. Or if you no like am, I fit first start born. Because you don born already, na my first start born sef.
Are you well? Which one be say make you dey born pikin for my husband?
No, madam. You go university, and they give you results. Nothing happen. Anything happen, you go many schools. Nothing happen. Anything happen, nothing happen.
So this is your plan?
No. I'm trying to help you, madam.
Wait, this is your plan?
No.
You want to come and scatter my family for me? And I'm trying to help you. Oh yeah, now begin to go. Begin go, I don't want to see you again.
No, madam, no be so.
I say make you begin go now.
No, I just want help you save am. Save am. Here you go university, you no get.
I say begin go.
You get results.
Husband snatcher.
And
Begin go.
And na pikin you dey born. No be pikin you dey born.
I tell you say make you help me. Begin go. See person why they try to help. Begin go, I don't need you again. Go. I say make you go slap you, make you go.
Thanks for watching Best of Faith Godwin Comedy. Please subscribe to our channel because every day we have fresh videos for you. Thank you.